how to remove any viruses from Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove viruses from Windows. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to remove viruses from your Windows, you can use the Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, which is one-click built-in tool that you will have on your Windows. This tool reboots your PC and scans it before Windows starts, making it effective at removing persistent malware like Trojans or rootkits. So in order to use it, navigate to your Start menu, or you can simply head towards the search icon and in the search bar, search for Settings. On the settings, head towards Privacy and Security from this menu bar. Now head towards Windows Security. After you open up Windows Security, now click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here search for Current Threats. Now on the Current Threats, you have to click on Scan Options. And here select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. After that, click on Scan Now. Then your PC will restart and scan for any threats. Therefore, this method will scan outside of the active Windows session, avoiding any interference from the active malware, and detects and removes any types of hidden malware, trojans and viruses. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.